Welcome back to Old Studio Car, the place where vintage muscle meets modern passion. Today, we're diving deep into the bold and iconic 1970 Plymouth Barracuda, a name that still roars in the hearts of car lovers more than 50 years later. The 1970 Barracuda wasn't just another muscle car, it was a defining statement in American automotive history. With its aggressive redesign, powerful engine lineup, and raw performance, it became an instant classic. And in today's video, we'll give you a full review of its exterior updates, performance specs, speed capabilities, fuel economy, and what you can expect to pay for one of these beasts today. Let's talk about the exterior first. The 1970 Barracuda marked the beginning of the third generation of the model, and it brought a dramatic redesign. Built on Chrysler's E-body platform, it now shared more with the Dodge Challenger but retained its own identity. The sleek, low, and wide stance gave it a more menacing presence on the road. The sharp-edged fenders, aggressive front grille, and optional shaker hood with a cold air intake made it clear this car was all muscle. The updated body lines were cleaner, more refined, and bold enough to stand out in any crowd. Available in high-impact colors like Plum Crazy, Lemon Twist, and Vitamin C Orange, the 1970 Barracuda was both stylish and intimidating. Optional racing stripes, rear spoilers, and chrome trim gave each owner a chance to customize the car to their personal taste. Even today, its design still holds its own against modern muscle cars in terms of sheer presence. Under the hood is where the Barracuda really showed its true colors. The 1970 model came with a range of engine options, from the modest 225 cubic inch slant 6 to the brutal 426 HEMI V8. For most enthusiasts, it's the 383, 440, and 426 HEMI engines that turned this car into a street legend. The 426 HEMI, in particular, produced a factory-rated 425 horsepower, though many believe it made significantly more in real-world conditions. Paired with a TorqueFlite automatic or a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivered heart-pounding acceleration and raw torque that could smoke the tires with ease. The car was built for speed and sound, and it did both exceptionally well. The throaty exhaust note and aggressive idle of the HEMI-powered Cuda still give goosebumps to those lucky enough to hear one in person. As for performance, the 1970 Plymouth Barracuda was no slouch. The HEMI-equipped model could go from 0 to 60 in just under 5.5 seconds, an incredible number for its time. Quarter-mile times hovered around the 13-second mark, making it one of the quickest muscle cars of its era. Top speed was around 140 miles per hour, but what really mattered was how quickly it got there. Handling was typical for a muscle car, plenty of straight-line speed with a bit of body roll in the corners. Still, the wide stance and heavy-duty suspension gave it solid road presence and decent grip for high-speed cruising. Fuel economy.